Yo, what is good, money team? Tensa here, and we're back with our trading into $1,000 to $10,000 video today, and it's not looking too hot for us right now. I'm not gonna lie. We did have a big play hitting for 700 with one of our positions. This position right here, I don't think it goes back to it, but it was one of our earlier positions we had in a stock right here. This one, yep, the Acon. So you get the whole thing. Yeah. So it hit for us. That was a beautiful play. But we are stuck, I'll say, in this position right here with Doge. We're at 866 right now in negative. Now I could close position. Oh, let me close that. I could close position on this, right? And honestly, I probably should have. That was my first mistake. But this is why, failing and all that stuff is important, so you learn. It's not real money. It's paper money. So I'm not stressing too much. But in real life, I probably should have closed out once I hit my threshold of how much I was supposed to profit off of. Because even at that rate, let's say, I think I put 250 in this position. If I would have took my losses at 250, I would have lost only 250. How much would I put in, right? And then from that point, I could have flipped it, being like, "Dang, the stock's going down. Let me put another 250 down, or maybe 150 or less, right, against it, and I probably would have profited crazy." But now I'm in a position where I didn't, and we're kind of stuck. So what we're going to do is probably just wait it off a little bit. We're going to hold positions. And if we can get to the 30 range, I think I'm going to sell it. If we can get to the 30 range, I think I'm just going to sell and cut my losses. But I'm going to keep holding on to it, trusting it. This one right here, we had working off the British pound and the Swiss francs. This position right here, we are down. So I was trying to sell it at a high, but it keep going up and it never went back down. So, but the good thing is I could either hold the position. This was like, so I had two good times to actually just sell out and take my losses. One was right here, I should have. And then this spot, like right here, I should have. I was betting against. And I also did change a little bit my strategy. I was going for days, but I realized this very quickly, and this would have counted for these two right here. That's why I'm being very strategic now. Is that I took basically I was doing it basically for a day trade, right? I wasn't looking at my phone. I wasn't checking my charts, and I had times where I could have profited, but one of the times I didn't. I chose not to profit. The other time, I just didn't see I could profit it, right? So I wasn't checking. So once that time passed over, it basically just killed me. So I think I'm gonna stay away from day trading unless it's literally a video, which I might stream. I might do a stream where I'm literally just here day trading. Cause I'm gonna literally just be sitting on my computer looking at trades, finding trades, watch my other trades, see what's in the green, what I'm profiting off of, and boom, boom, boom. So I might do a video like that. But all in all, with this challenge going from 1,000 to 10, I think the best option is I'm gonna look at it from a 3-month time span. They kind of have a better view of everything. Like if I saw it, like imagine you saw it from this point of angle, right? And I'm seeing it just came down from, and this is stuff that you gotta check obviously, but I wasn't checking, so and that's on me. But I would have seen it has such a downturn, right? And it's gonna come up. It just came from a spring, so boom, boom. But it just happens. You just learn from it. So now you might be asking, what am I gonna do now? Because we have roughly $894 in equity. We only have 537 of available funds that we have access to, and we're deeply in the red, and we haven't technically profited. Technically, we did profit off trading, but we technically haven't, because our positions that we have right now, if we close, we'll lost money. But again, I'm not too worried, because this is all what trading is really about, well, at least paper trading, right? Because we're training to get ready to be in the real phase of it. So I had these marked right here because I was looking at the market beforehand. I wanted to set some plays up for you guys beforehand, but I wanted to wait until the market was closed, or at least on the stock end, because we're going to do some setups in this video too as well for later down the road, for tomorrow morning openings, right? So we're going to just go through. I clicked on these ones because by the time I was looking at, they're in the zone. They obviously had one out their zones. So this is out the zone. So we're good off that. We don't need it. Okay, and this is still in its zone, right? And most likely than not, we're going to look and examine, and it just hit a bar too. We're going to look and examine. We're going to go slow with this too. We're not going to speed nothing up. Alright, so it's still in the green. It's still at the bottom, so we're going to buy right now. We're going to buy because it looks like it hit its last bar going over. So I think it's going to have the jump coming up soon. So we're going to buy actively right now. Yeah. And then the last big bar was this red one. So it went green. See this? Yeah, so it went green strong, boom, boom, green strong again. And that means that had the high falls, right? So then it's going to peak off, boom, 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 come down. And it had these long reds, boom, boom, boom. And then it stayed down. And this is the curve part right under. This is the curve part where it's about to spring up. As you see, it's going up. So, because it's about to go out the spacing. So, I think we're going to buy right here. Perfect time to buy. Let's go. Yeah, we're just gonna do 20. We're gonna keep everything small. Just because we've lost so much bread. It's like, or potentially lost so much bread. I want to just be smart about this. If I can close the Doge at 600, I think I'll be fine with that. Just take my 600 loss. If this gets to 40 or even 50, I might take out the versus France, but we'll see. All right. And we're going to always put our stop losses. We're always going to put our stop losses at 20. Then USD. Let's go. See, take profits. Now I'm about to do this strategic with how I'm doing it. Yeah, we're gonna want to double procast, about double the profit, double it. So get out at 40. Alright, we're gonna buy. Alright, so we just bought, and now we're gonna wait. So this is one of our positions we got. Look at it for the day. Alright, bad, beautiful positioning. All right, so seeing it like this, I like it way better from a perspective. So realistically, with how this is going, has it ever been worth this much ever? Cause this is why I ask myself when I'm looking at my profit takes. Has it been this much ever? No. So then let's bring it down to yeah, let's just see. Yeah. Cause then do 6 months, crunch it, year to date. Okay. Then all time. Let's see where it's at all time. Okay, so all time it has been up in that words. Alright. Damn. Had a big fall off. US and Swiss francs. But we are betting that it will go up. Nope, don't modify. In the next 3 months, roughly. And we're just gonna let that oh no, don't modify it. And we're just gonna let that cook. That's just part of our line. I know we're already in negative in the 20, but we should be good. All right, let's move on. Let's go through the charts right now. Nothing's active. Nothing's active. We missed this one. This is a miss right here. Let's go through. Nothing active right now. It's at 60. What? Yeah, nothing really is going on right now. Dang. It's kind of dry. See, we missed another one right here. Oh, this would have been great. And sometimes you got to wait even in the zoning because sometimes the zoning can change and it can stay. See how consistently green it is? Boom, boom, boom. So it's still a good time to buy, but you don't know how long the buying zone is going to be at. And that seems for selling too. Bitcoin. Yeah, it's not in a zone. Ethereum, no. XRP, no. Doge. Cooked. Ozzy. But yeah, so right now we have no good positioning. And we'll check these back. My bad, guys. But we'll check these back. It just had no movement. Like none. It was at a selling point. When did I get this? Let me just see when I got it. Y'all got this super in the red, and it didn't even drop for real. Just kept going up. But then I got it during a trade, so let's look at some stocks. See if we have any setups for the day. Alright, no. Tesla. No. Do Apple. Nah. Okay, see, this is a setup that we can work with right now. It jumped up crazy. Let's see what news they got on China. Sorry. It's also always important to read your information about certain things. You don't do dividend yields. Okay, so we're one of the biggest buyers. And it's mainly commercial, but they also have governmental use. Okay. Oh no, it's mainly governmental and they have commercial use. Okay. So I had a super high buy. Let's see what it has in history. Has it ever been this high in history? No. Whoa. So this looks like something that's been super consistent. And it just jumped. So now I'm wondering. Yeah, it jumped up crazy. What was this? This is today. So today they just jumped up crazy from 83 to. They've never been this high before. See, something like this is very scary because it hit such a high peak. So it could mean that it goes up from that, but then it could also have a downturn. So I'm just trying to think in my head, like, well, it's all time. Yeah, this is all time. So it just hit a super high. Like this is a crazy high for them. All right. So I have a theory. Market correction. Cause this is a super high for them. This is super high. I'm just thinking in my head like they've been just going green. But then I could see over time, and they're new. They just joined the stock or the Nasdaq. They just joined the Nasdaq in 2020, but they've been around since '03. So this is really hard. We'll save it. We'll come back on it. But they keep going up, and they could get higher, but it could be at a super high peak. They could just be at a high buy and sell. And I mean by that is that it's just at a high point right now. We're bought in crazy on the day, but because two things are gonna either happen. This right here is just a break off because this happened. What? So at opening, it just went up. The price of it just came up higher, and then people were buying. People kept buying, and they were selling for a little bit, then buy. So my whole thing is there gonna be another correction that happens? Boom, at least to like here maybe. Because let me see the other setups of falls that's happened. So if a fall like this, it was going up, almost the same setup, and then boom, rapidly, and then dropped from open to close, just dropped, but then it did good still. And then I was having another one which is even crazier. Like, have we seen a crazier spacing like this? No. And it's still in the red. We good though. There's longevity. Just check this real quick. Yeah, just gotta let it marinate, give it time. Alright, let me log back in. So boom. I feel like it's dropping. We'll do you know what? We'll do a 10 right here. Take profits at 30. Stop loss 10. Off training session. Wait, what? Oh, are they saying that because I'm in the red crazy right here? They're probably saying that because I'm in the red crazy, so they're not gonna let me make the trade, which I can respect. Because if you saw this, you'd be like, "Oh, you're geeking right now," but so I got a couple options. I can just close these because they're gonna let me trade again. Reason out of session. Yeah, so they're not gonna let me because of that. Yeah. Alright guys, so look. I'm gonna leave it up to this. I got two options. I could close these right here. Close these positions right here. Or just stop right now and just let them rock. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'll leave it like this because honestly, if we could set something up right now, I'm gonna just do it like this. This where we at. You got it here, we're here. Right? Cool. Cool. This was the biggest break that ever happened. It was crazy. I think the best course of action go here. And we just sell. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the best for us. So if we get here, that would still be 500. Yeah, you just sell right here. No, but I don't think. No, I don't want. Yeah, cause I think okay, I'm geeking because that's gonna take us. Okay, so let me see what I can do with this position. I'm just trying to figure out what should I do with this position. Cause I can cancel flatten, which is close the position, and then or reverse the position. Only problem I have with that is so if I reverse my position, I'll be betting against this just after I had a drop. That's not really good etiquette. Unless I really think it's gonna drop more. But then look, it had a red bar, dropped, correction, right? Just cooling, went up again, boost. See, if I would have looked at it from this angle, I would have just been knowing to sell, but I wasn't thinking for real. Again, I had time to profit off the day trade, but wasn't paying attention. No, I wasn't out. It wasn't that I wasn't paying attention. It was I didn't think it was enough for me to take. So I was just kind of just being selfish. So then it just went down, and then it dropped again. So I had the red bar. So I feel like holding it is the best option as of right now. And it's about to cross this line. And if you don't know about the line basically just shows where it's going to go. So if it's going to cross the line, that means it's going to boost up and it's going to go up. So I'm going to give it some time. Let it rock out. I think a boost is going to happen eventually at some point in the night, during the day. It's going to happen. And we're just going to keep things cool. So, yeah, I don't think I'm about to do anything. Let's just keep going through stocks and just analyze the market. Nothing with Meta. Nothing with advanced. Amazon. Nothing. I'm getting no love. Let me check these out. Oh, see, I missed two. Oh, not here. I just missed two positions right here. When was this? Oh, okay. No, I was way earlier. Yeah, nothing's active right now. All right. All right, but PayPal. This is another good one right here. See, this is a good one too because it just had a drop off. Had big rises, big drops. And it's been building up for a while, and then it just opened up, falling. Let's see what we can get a read on. When result for the market opens up on Tuesday. And that's what probably happened right here. They didn't trust their financials. But it's super low, so I'm going to probably buy it. Buy right here. And then hold it. I'm going to just say this. No, yeah, let me buy it here. Little 10 ball. We'll take. If you don't let me take this either, bro, we're cooked. We're cooked, chat. Off trading session. That's so crazy. So, damn. I think we just have to cool out now. Yeah, we're gonna have to cool. I'm gonna just look. How much, I don't even know how much time we got, but I'm gonna just recheck. Also, we got right now. Excuse me, sorry. I'm just check these ones just one more time before we get up out of here. And just see. Yeah, I think they're pretty much done. Just check this position. See, I trust in this. Going down just so little. And then look, it's been going down. So I think it's gonna get bought back up. I just think I think I'm just have to close position on this or reverse. I think I'm about to reverse position. If I get the opportunity, I think we're just gonna reverse position. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But look, it's gonna cross this threshold, which means I know it's gonna go up. It's just so crazy. 'Cause I have to literally do the waiting game with that position. I literally have to do the waiting game. I'll try to give y'all updates. Sorry we couldn't do much more, but yeah, a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff in the market going on. I'll try to give you guys like financial videos and stuff. Maybe like either on the educational side or just like watching other people's financial videos and like reviewing and talking about them. But yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Help us grow, so we can grow the money team, get into this money, money way. So yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay there, money team.